Here we go, entering the Ohio Turnpike 80 East, otherwise known as the Ohio Autobahn. I'm making this video because I wanted to give everybody a little snapshot, just a little bit of what the truck can do in acceleration on the highway. This 2023 Chevy Silverado truly is pretty amazing. The pickup, the torque, 420 horse, and when you get up on it, this baby goes, and it goes fast. Huh? And then we end up in something like this, where you get stuck behind a semi. But we'll get it again here. Always use your signal, especially before you're about to go well over the speed limit. There she is. It's pretty good though. Got the Borla exhaust and the cold air inductions, cold air intake system, which is really nice. It definitely adds some quality of sound to the Borla. Not a lot, just enough. And it's nice because you pick up a little bit of that air coming into that cold air intake, and you can hear a little bit of a difference. The biggest benefit to the cold air intake is the mile per gallon increase that I saw average once I installed it. And I can say confidently, after tracking it for a few thousand miles now, I have 7,812 miles on the truck as of today. I've had it installed for probably about 2 months now, and I average about 1,500 miles of driving each month. And I can tell you that before I had it, I was averaging about 17 miles a gallon, and now we're at 18.3. So I'm happy with the it's about $400, money well spent. The exhaust, amazing. I'd recommend Borla to anybody looking to upgrade their exhaust, whether it's on their Silverado or any other type of car or truck. But oh, it sounds so good. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. Feel free to comment. I appreciate the support in getting the channel up and going, doing some different things, trying to figure out what works. I'm still working on doing some install videos for some of the mods that I've done, and I appreciate you guys watching and checking it out, the support, and please subscribe. I can take the critique as well. I'm learning how to do the videos and the editing and everything else, and hopefully can really bring the channel to life, making some productive information videos about mods, just the truck, and maybe some other cool stuff as I get the hang of this and learn. But I appreciate it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Check out some of the other videos. Have an awesome day.